You know, if there's one thing that we can all do this upcoming fall, that would be to get more young hunters out in the field. And I tell you what, this group from Wisconsin here in Buffalo County have done a tremendous amount of work at getting young handicap hunters out in the field. You know, I think you're going to agree this upcoming story is not only inspiring, but it's just a great example of what you can accomplish, a little bit of drive and ingenuity.
Here comes one deer.
Rooster! Boy, look at the tail on that rooster.
Passion for the Hunt is brought to you by Shields, Crestliner Boats, Benelli Firearms, Federal Premium Ammunition, North Dakota Tourism, Primos Hunting, Long Haul Trucking.
This is Ryan. He was our 2019 recipient of our Action Track Chair. Every year we raise money for a handicapped child, and Ryan was the lucky one to receive it. And this is now part 2 of his donation from Rutting Ridge Foundation, and we're actually going to take him on a hunt. This winter he got the chair, and now we're going to finish the hunt part, right? Yep. So we're going to get set up here in Buffalo County. And we're hoping to get Ryan his first buck. So, see what happens, huh? Huh? You excited?
Yeah.
What are you looking for? Are you gonna go shoot a doe or are you gonna shoot a buck?
Buck.
Buck? So if a doe comes walking in right now, you're gonna let the doe walk.
Yeah.
You're gonna wait for the buck?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't let me down. I'm counting on you. I'm Jared Flickiger, president of Rutting Ridge Foundation. We are a nonprofit organization helping underprivileged children, children that are disabled, and military veterans that have lost their lower limbs. And what we do is we purchase them an action chair so that they actually can take their life outside and be able to get out on the ice and be able to get out in the woods and enjoy life.
Myself and Jared Flickiger, we created a nonprofit foundation called the Rutting Ridge Foundation, and what we do is we provide action track chairs for disabled individuals. These track chairs have a track system on it instead of actual wheels. It allows the people to be able to go off-road through dirt, mud, sand, water, to access areas they typically wouldn't be able to access with their normal everyday wheelchair.
Mike Barr, he's one of my best friends. We actually met through another mutual friend. I was looking for a guide in my outfitting business here in Buffalo County, and he says, well, I know the perfect guy. He's a firefighter, he's got a lot of time off, and he has a good attitude, and he likes helping people. And that was one of the biggest things I like to look for in a person, is somebody that's willing to give.
When Jared and I first created this foundation, we thought it was going to be able to allow people the opportunity to hunt and fish. But what we also realized is the doors it opened for these kids just to be kids and to go and play and be more like a typical kid and just go do things that we didn't even envision that they miss out on. Being able to just cruise down a beach and roll through the sand and go through the water is something these children can't do in a regular wheelchair. Ryan is the young man that got the chair today. Him and his family had submitted an application via our website with an interest in receiving a chair. And after reviewing a lot of applications that we get every year, Jared and I decided, and the rest of the board, that he would be our 2018 chair recipient.
We've seen kids out there that, wish they were playing with other kids, and we've seen kids that wish that they could be out hunting with their parents or whatever. And that's right then we both looked at each other and says, we can't give this up. This is too much passion for the outdoors that we have. Mike works full time as a firefighter. His days off, he's got, a lot of time to give. And for myself, being in the outdoor business, we just thought it all made sense that maybe this is what we were supposed to do. This is maybe why we're on Earth, to help other people. Hey, see that big rub right there on the birch tree? That's a big buck. That's what you're waiting for.
Yeah.
Got ready? You can handle this?
Yeah.
Pressure it on. All right. Good luck. Shoot straight.
My son is Ryan. We're in a youth mentor program to try and get him his first buck today. Here in Wisconsin, in the beautiful Buffalo County, where with the youth mentor program, the mentor holds the gun at all times until the youth is ready and there's a deer out front. Then we hand them the gun and they take care of business, and then we grab a hold of it and then it's done. It's a wonderful thing when you can take your kids hunting. Now that, like with Ryan with his disability, with this track chair, he can get out and go hunting with us and enjoy all the finer things in life.
Here comes one deer.
Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Front shoulder, hold the gun. You hit him. He's right there, watch him. He's right up there. Here, give me this. He went up that way.
Get him.
Yes. Yes, you did.
He died.
He just died. He just fell over. Oh my God, awesome.
Oh my God.
That was a great shot, bud. Great patience.
Yup.
Ooh.
My first buck. Yes. Oh my God. My first buck. You can hardly type.
I can't even.
Oh my God.
He's trying to text. He can't
Oh,
even get it out.
it's not working. Okay, I did send it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put this away now.
Are we gonna get it?
Just a minute.
Okay. I hope it's bigger than yours.
I do too.
Yeah.
Now you just got bragging rights. See that tree up there all by itself, that bigger one?
Uh-huh.
He's right on the other side of it. See what I mean?
Yep.
When you put the shot where it belongs, they don't go far.
Yep.
I want to give a special thanks to Jared of Rutten Ridge and the landowners for letting us come out here and harvest this beautiful animal.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9.
9.
My whole family hunts. I got 2 older boys that don't have any disabilities, so they can go all the time, but it was always hard with Ryan, and now with the track chair, he's part of the hunting community. It means the world to me that my son can come out and enjoy this. I know they're all, everybody, the whole family is going to be excited for him.
Yep.
They're going to be very proud of him.
Mm-hmm.
Are you
Yep.
jacked?
Yeah.
Good job, bud. His first buck? Proud of you, bud.
Yep.
That's awesome. Dad?
Oh, God, I'm psyched.
Yeah?
That was awesome.
You know, that's a kid's first buck. And
Yep.
that's something you'll never forget.
Nope, I won't.
No, and that's something he will never forget.
Yep.
You will never forget, and I'm glad I could be part of it.
Like I say, I can't thank you guys enough.
it's awesome.
His is an 8 and mine's a 9.
Is it a 9-pointer? Yeah.
Mine is. And his is an 8.
Is it? Oh, so whose is bigger?
Mine.
Yeah. Good job, bud. That's awesome.
Yep.
Cool.